Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's a joy always to be with you. And today, as we are getting ready to start our program, I would like to encourage you to, invite someone to join you to watch this. And also, if you have not taken advantage of the previous series that we have, I would encourage you to also later watch the series, because we are continuing from, where we stopped the last week. And this will be our 7th in the series. So if you have not watched any of them, my encouragement to you is to later find time and listen, because you would be really helped when you get the whole message. It is very important that we understand that there is nobody in life who desires not to be successful. Everyone in life wants to be successful. Everyone in life wants to achieve something with what he or she has. It is so important for all of us to get to understand and know that we have what it takes. And most of the times, people refuse to recognize the kind of opportunities that they have, with them. Sometimes people say, I want to be successful. And what is success to you? Some people say, I want a lot of money. I want to be very popular. I want to be, whatever. But I've already said that whatever you set before you to do, which, you achieve, then you can say you have been successful in that. But is that what would define, true success? True success is when your life is meaningful, not just to you, but to the world around you. When you add value to what you have or you are in society. So most people refuse to use their brains. They refuse to use, the ideas that they can sort of implement. There's so many things that sometimes can come into your thoughts. And these are like, dreams, little stuffs, but within them are answers to maybe particular needs or things that you would want to do. So try and initiate for yourself the ability to create, to think creatively and to begin to, see pictures of what you want to have in your life, in your mind. It is very important that many people do not, see that our brain is like a womb and it shouldn't be barren. There should be things that will be coming out, that will be birthed from there. And that is why when, let's say, somebody comes up with a new innovation and something that is thought of as a concept and now materializes it, we say that is a brainchild of, the person. In fact, it is ideas that rule this world. Many people, brought in great ideas and great suggestions, and once they were implemented, either it simplified life or it made things, easy to come by or improve the situations in, many ways. Medical innovations, scientific, drives have brought, the world to a place of getting to understand more about, things. And it is very, very important that you use the kind of ideas that you have. There is nothing more powerful than like an idea. They say, give a man an idea and he will be successful. Let a man bring out a positive idea and pursue that idea, and you will see a change in his life. Ideas control the world. Ideas produce, things that we see around. And ideas sometimes even outlives people. Many people leave, but then what they did lives on. When you leave your idea on the earth, your life becomes your tombstone. Can you imagine many people who are already dead, but because of certain theories they propounded or certain inventions that they brought out, which we are still benefiting and using, these men, I would say, still live with us over here. Dead men control things even in this world. So we have to be able to download lots of ideas into, our lives in order to change for the better. It comes by looking or studying and asking yourself questions. Will you sit with yourself and place every activity in your life before yourself and ask yourself the questions. If something is not, going well, why is it not going well? If something is going well, what am I doing that, I gain this kind of success? Once you know what, gets into it, you do more of the things that bring positive outcomes. And if there is something that is in the negative, you look forward to how you can resolve and then come back on track and make progress. It is instilled in a person to succeed at things that he does. So it is very, very important. And many people limit success to just money. They limit success to wealth. This is one thing I would like you to erase from your, mind. When we talk success, we are not talking stack of, dollars or pounds or euros, but we're talking about achievement of purpose, which obviously would come with maybe some reward, and that is just the money, or, the popularity, or, the open doors. These are very important. So don't chase after money. If you want to be successful, do not chase after money. And it is very, how would I say, not standard for some people to hear that, because they feel money would resolve everything. Money is a product. It is not a source. Money comes out of hard work and being able to sell either your idea or stuff to other people. So if you chase money without ideas, then you are just chasing the wind. It is very important that we understand and prioritize the things that we, do. And when you get lots of rewards for what you do, it is not meant for you to maybe show off and to say, I've done this, I've done that, but it is for you to begin to, complete further assignments and to add more value to things that are around you. You see, we do have so much resources in this world, in our lives, but most of the times we limit ourselves because we look for things that will not last long. Well, I need to get a profit. I can see this venture brings in at least, 40% profit, so I go for that. But after you succeed, what is the next plan? You don't just have to be rich. You have to go beyond being rich to be able to initiate the possibilities of becoming rich also to other people. You need to, facilitate the smooth transition of others into where you are, whilst you also try to go higher and further. You are not born here to just make a living. You are here to make a difference. Let me say one more time that you are not on this planet Earth to just make a living, but you are here to make a difference. And what makes you successful is not just living, but it is the difference that you make in your own life, in the lives of others, and how you can, turn things around in order to bring the best out of everything. Let me tell you something. You see this gold ring? It's beautiful. It is beautiful, it's shining because it has been worked on by a master. It used to be just a chunk, maybe kind of rough metal. But what happens? Somebody adds value to it and makes it into this beautiful ring. I see it, I love it, I got it. Do not entertain stagnancy with things that are within your reach. Don't say, I have it, so let it just be there, I watch it. It's not a museum exponent. Resources are to be turned into products and then served to the market. You need to begin your steps towards being successful. This is today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and we are here, talking about aligning ourselves for success. And this is our 7th in the series. If you're just joining us, I would encourage you to go listen to the previous, programs and get to know what we have said and what, has gone on. Because if you listen, just a few of them, you may miss out on a very crucial and important, part. Although each series is standing on its own, but they are all interconnected. It's a continuation of previous ones. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask us and we will send you answers. And you should please also assist us by liking this channel and also inviting your friends so that we have everybody, coming and getting to know what we are sharing here. It is our desire that many more people would hear these, timeless truths and things that would, prompt you to begin to add value to your life. So in conclusion today, what I want you to understand is that we must see the end. We must be, motivated by our expectation. And when the expectation is positive and it is achievable, it is good, we will not feel tired. We will not feel burnout. We will just, begin to move towards it. I encourage you to, rule out of your mind that you are not born to succeed. You are not born to make it in life, or you didn't grow up in the right place, or you don't have the right connections, or you are coming too late. No. Whatever it is, once you realize that there is a bigger thing ahead of you and where you are is not where you are supposed to be, you can begin to navigate your way. Yes, it might take some time, but if you start your movement today, you'll be closer to destination by tomorrow morning. And I want you to know you have to align yourself for success. And also it is doable, it is achievable. We'll come again in the next series and we will build upon these few things that we have said, because ideas still rules the world. Have a wonderful, wonderful day and see you exactly this time next week. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and this has been your favorite program, Today's Family. And I wish you and your family the very best. See you next week. Bye-bye.